We're ready to get wet and go wild at Wild Rivers Waterpark in Irvine, California. And look, you have a cooler right here in the back. There is a phone charger and a safe, so you can put all your stuff in there while you're out having fun. And here's Charles, who is our amazing server today. Hi, I can hear everybody screaming in the background. Yes. It's so fun. So the food, like people think water parks and they think burgers, chicken fingers, but this goes beyond that.
Absolutely. So in the cabanas, we have special plates that are fresh made every day. We have tacos, we have chicken teriyaki bowl, Korean barbecue chicken bowls, fresh wing platters. So there's a lot more than just the typical food that you would find at any other park.
Here we go. Okay, outfit change tips. I would suggest getting to Wild Rivers at least 15 minutes, preferably 30 minutes before the posted opening time. You can take your time parking, get all your stuff together, and you want to be here right when they open because you can jump on the water slides that have the biggest lines and save yourself a ton of time. So the ones that I saw with the biggest lines all day were Tortuga and Typhoon. So we went to those two first. They were some of my favorites, by the way. So much fun. It's a 6-person raft ride for each of them. And then the other ones with really big weights were Bora Bora Boomerang. That's where you go up on the big wall. And then also Aquaconda. Those are a blast. So I would knock those out first when you first get here and then kind of fill in with the other slides and the play areas throughout the day. The other tip is to try to eat lunch a little bit later. I saw a lot of people stopping around 11:30 or noon, and the lines went down a little bit during that time, so that will give you a shorter wait as well. For the love of God, wear your sunscreen. I've seen some frightening sunburns today. I have my swim shirt, which is not super sexy, but I'm going to be sporting that because we're going to take care of ourselves and we're going to try to look young forever. I probably look like a clown right now because I have so much zinc on my face. It was such a beautiful day. It was so sunny. We had an epic day. I think not only are the kids going to sleep well tonight, I am going to sleep well tonight. It's definitely my favorite water park in SoCal. There's a lot of room to spread out, play, relax. The cabana is definitely the way to go if you open the park and close the park, which is what we did today. We are here at opening and we are shutting it down. Don't forget to bring a towel. They do have towels available for purchase, but there aren't any freebies. There's nothing you can rent, so bring a towel with you. And also they host birthday parties here. So how wonderful is that? And again, the other parents will thank you because the kids will be happy and tired at the end of the day. I loved all the water slides, so much fun. Oh, my daughter's tooth is about to come out. Very exciting. She was afraid she'd lose the tooth here at the water park, but no, it's still in her mouth. It's definitely a waterful life here at Wild Rivers, and if you've been, let me know what you thought of it and also what your favorite water slide is in the comments.